The multidimensional aspect of man as a moral agent. Good day, everyone. Today, let us talk about a very important topic in ethics and philosophy, the multidimensional aspect of man as a moral agent. When we say that man is a moral agent, we mean that every human being has the capacity and responsibility to make decisions between what is right and wrong. But this decision-making process is not simple. It involves different dimensions of our humanity. Let's break them down. 1. The physical or biological dimension. First, we are embodied beings. We live in and through our bodies. Our instincts, desires, and needs push us to act. For example, hunger makes us look for food. But here's the catch: morality requires us not to be slaves to our instincts. Imagine you're hungry and there's food that isn't yours. Your body says eat it, but your moral sense tells you wait or ask permission. This shows that morality involves more than biology. 2. The rational or intellectual dimension. Second, we have reason, the power to think. This is what sets us apart from animals. We can analyze situations, weigh consequences, and choose the best action. For instance, if you're tempted to cheat during an exam, your reason helps you think, what will this mean for my integrity? What if I get caught? Is this aligned with my values? Reason gives us the ability to discern good from evil. 3. The emotional or affective dimension. Third, we have emotions. Emotions like compassion, love, or even anger influence our decisions. They give color to our moral life. For example, compassion can move you to help a struggling classmate. But emotions must be guided by reason. Acting only out of anger may lead to harm, while acting with balanced emotions can lead to justice and kindness. 4. The social dimension. Fourth, we are social beings. Our moral choices always affect others. Remember, no man is an island. If you decide to be dishonest, it doesn't just affect you, it erodes trust in your community. If you choose fairness, others benefit as well. Morality, therefore, is never lived in isolation but always in relation with society. 5. The spiritual dimension. Finally, humans have a spiritual side. We long for meaning, truth, and connection with the divine. This dimension deepens morality, reminding us that our choices are not just accountable to ourselves or to society but also to a higher moral order, what many of us recognize as Yahweh, our Creator. Conclusion. So when we say that man is a moral agent, we're talking about a being who is physical, rational, emotional, social, and spiritual. All these dimensions interact when we make choices. This is why morality is so rich and complex. It is never just about following instincts, nor just about cold logic, nor simply about emotions. It is about the whole person making responsible decisions. And that's what makes human beings unique. We have the freedom to choose, and with that freedom comes the responsibility to choose what is good, just, and life-giving.